Hi guys, today I'm going to read this book and it's called Curious George Plants a Seed. Curious George plants a seed. Jumpy's squirrel was very busy. George was curious. What was Jumpy doing? Bill, the boy next door, told George, Jumpy buries acorns and nuts. He stores them in the ground. He can dig them up later when he is hungry. That gave George a great idea. George buried the orange juice, he buried the butter, he buried the bread. He was glad to find a good place to store food. When the man with the yellow hat came home, the kitchen was empty. Where was all of their food? George proudly showed his friend. George, orange juice and bread are not for burying, the man with the yellow hat said. They cannot be stored in the ground. His friend showed George a peanut with a sprout. George was puzzled. This peanut grew into a plant. The man said seeds and nuts grow out of the ground if they are not eaten first. George thought he understood. If a little peanut could become a big plant, what would a rubber band become? He thinks it would become this. What would a feather become? He thinks it might become these two stuff. George dug lots of holes. He buried lots of things. Soon the house was empty. The man with the yellow hat was surprised. George, umbrellas and chairs are not for burying. The man with the yellow hat explained. They are made by people. They are not going to grow seeds and nuts will grow. A few days later, George saw something new in the yard. It was a sprout. Look, George, said his friend. A seed you buried is growing. I wonder what it will be. Sunflower, Soon there was a beautiful sunflower in the yard. George had a green thumb after all. The end. Bye.